Welcome to the ocean of the English literature. This is Act 2 and Prologue from Romeo and Juliet, written by William Shakespeare. So, in this, the chorus delivers another short sonnet describing the new love between Romeo and Juliet. The hatred between the lovers' families makes it difficult for them to find the time or place to meet and let their passion grow. But the prospect of their love gives each of them the power and determination to elude the obstacles placed in their path. So we will see what happens in Act 2 and Scene 1 in the next video. And this was very short analysis, and it is short analysis, it is kept short, and we will come to know much about what the plot settings and everything. Basically, the prologue, the purpose, or the chorus purpose, was based on the stage drama, which is a technique used by Shakespeare as well, and it is a technique which was used in the dramas that were about to perform on the stage. So thank you so much for watching it, and we will see what happens in Act 2 and Scene 1 in the next video. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.